Hello guys, greeting and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am John Best FS. It's always a pleasure to have you on my channel. Oh yeah, I'm going to be discussing a very powerful strategy with you guys. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a powerful strategy, a smart way of making $5 in every 1 minute. Okay, this video will guide you on that. All you need to do is to keep to the conditions, follow up what you are going to be watching on this video. The strategy I'm dropping here is a very smart way of making $5 in every 1 minute. So that's how powerful it is, okay? And trust me, I always share a trust strategies because my strategy, before I bring it, before I take it to the public, I make sure I text them and I make sure I test them and it works very well before I bring it to the public domain. Okay, I don't just drop strategies because I want to drop, because I want people to win. I want people to win in their trade. I want to see people rejoice while trading. Okay, and again, one thing I tell people most time is price actions. It matters a lot. If you're trading, you need to know these things, the price action, because you don't just trade without knowing the idea of price action, because price action will actually guide you on the trade you are going to be entering, so it is very important you know the price action. Okay, all right. Further on that, let me also appeal to you, as always do, please uh, look down your screen, subscribe to my channel, like my video, and turn up your notification as as I'm going to be dropping more video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and please, there's a reward for you that have subscribed to my channel. Please keep on subscribing to my channel. All right, thank you very much. And again, let me also say this again. My free Telegram link, my free Telegram channel, and my VIP channel. If you want to join, you can join them. You can join the free Telegram channel. I drop good signal there once in a while. I drop signal, and trust me, I don't just drop signal. I drop good signal. I drop good signal. And if you're interested to join the VIP group, you can also chat me up. All of that you can find me from the description of this video. I have my Telegram link, I have my WhatsApp link. So whenever you want to reach out to me, you want to discuss anything with me, you can check me out on my Telegram link and my WhatsApp link. All of that you can find out on the description of this video. Okay, and if there's any way you don't understand, if there's any place you don't understand on this video, I'm showing you, I'm going to be dropping here. If there's any way you don't understand, anything you don't understand, you can also chat me up. All right, you can chat me up and make your case known to me that I don't understand this place. People are doing that, and I'm correcting them, and I will tell them I'll tell them how to go about it. Okay, so if there's any way you don't understand, you can chat me up, we can discuss on that. Okay, it's very, very important you understand your trade. Okay, I always tell you, come on, think about mentorship if you're not perfect in trading. Okay, if you don't know much about trading, because trading is something you do with all confidence. Okay, and you have multiple reasons before you want to enter any market you want to enter. Okay, sometimes people also seems to chat me up and tell me, I applied this strategy and it didn't work. It's not just it didn't work. Did you keep to the condition? Did you follow up? Did you confirm your price actions? All of these things, the mentorship will guide you. Okay, it is always good to have multiple reasons before you enter a trade, so you can win. You can win. It's very important you win in your trade. Okay, it's very important you win. That's why I make out my time to study, to make research before I drop any video. All right. Okay, now before I talk further on that, Let's just go into the business of the day while we're here, okay? So I don't keep you waiting for a very long time, okay? So you can see on my screen now, I'm trading crash uh, 300. I'm trading crash 300. You can see my setup already on my screen. So the first thing I'm going to be doing now, I will delete this out. Will delete all of this out so you can also watch me place them yourself. You can watch me place them and you can follow up and place them yourself. All right. So I'm deleting this out now. Okay. Please always make sure you follow up price action. It matters. Okay. You don't just depend on the indicators always, okay? Sometimes you also need, there's a need you apply your horizontal line, your trend line, you analyze the market from a higher time frame to a lower time frame. It helps you to understand the trend of the market much better than analyzing the market from a lower time frame. Okay, so you need to analyze the market from a lower time frame to a higher time frame. So you don't just enter a trade from a higher time frame. Sometimes you might not get it. You might not get it right. Okay. So now I am going to be placing the indicators. So please do well to watch me how I am placing them and follow up. Keep to the conditions. All right. So I always tell you, whenever you want to place an indicator, you watch up your screen, you see the F icon, you tap on it, the indicator list will pop out. So now the first indicator we are going to be adding here is the moving average. So I'm going to be adding the moving average, and these are the parameters. I have period 200 shift 0. I have method is potential. I have applied to close, and the styles. I have PC4. I'm using this PC4 so that I want the line to be bold. Okay, I want the line to be bold. So that's why I'm using PC4. Now the color, I'm using color black here. So I'm done with this first. So you can see my chart now. You can see the black line on my chart. Okay, this line is the line that will direct us on the price action, on the trend of the market. Okay, this is the line that will direct us on when to enter the trade. Okay, so the next indicator I'll be adding now is the relative strength index, the RSI. The RSI. Okay, this is it. So now this is that. The parameters is this. I'm going to be using period 1, apply to close ties. I'm using PSO3 here. I'm using color white because my background is white. If your background is black, so I use black color. Okay, so now these are the levels. So I have level 90, level 10, level 0. Okay, I'm done with this now. So I'm done with this. So if you are doing just what you are seeing on this video, this is how your screen should look like. You should have something like this on your screen. Okay, so the next indicator I will be adding here is the money flow index that will be found on the indicator window 1. Okay, you go to your indicator window 1. So look for the money flow index, and that is it. So these are the parameters. I have period 14. I have volumes. I have thick. Styles. I have PC4, and I'm using color blue here. So you can use any color of your choice here. So I'm done with this. It's just a very simple strategy, but powerful. So now I'm done. The setup is done now. So I'm done with the setup. So the next thing is knowing when to buy and knowing when to sell. So now we are discussing on scalping on this video. So we want to scalp on this video. All right. So right now, this is crash 300. I will be buying here now. I'll be buying, not selling, because I'm scalping. So now, you know very well, that Crash 300 is a very high value index. 1 minute, 1 minute can fetch you $5 from this structure I'm dropping. So this is a uh, very high value in the Crash 300. So now, this is what we're gonna be looking at before we buy. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video, and if you're interested to join the VIP group, is there, so you join them and win. So many people are there, they are winning on daily basis, and the free Telegram channel is also there, so you can also join there too. Okay, there's a analyzed signal that you drop there too, okay, but not daily basis, okay, but there's signal is dropped there, drop on the free Telegram channel. Some signal is dropped there, okay. So now I am going to show us on how we can make $5 from every 1 minute in this strategy. So the first condition we are going to be looking at is something like this. Wait for things like this to happen. You have to wait for this. Now, when you have when we have this, the moving average, the black line we're seeing on the main chart, when you have it down, when we have things like this, or have it like this, it means this market is on an uptrend. This market is on an uptrend. So we are going to be buying now because this market is on an uptrend. So when you see this happen, when you see this candlestick cross the line, the black line, it tells that the market is on an uptrend. So this here now will have an uptrend market. So when you see it this way now, is downtrend. All right. So what we're going to be doing now is, that's the first condition. The second condition, you also need to watch out for this. You come to your window 1 here. So you also watch this blue line to drop to this level 10. All right. You see this. Let me align this. You see this line drop to this level 10 here. Drop to this level. All right. When you drop to this level and you have things like this, you see the line, you see the candlestick crossed the black line, so it means this is an uptrend market. So all you need to do now is to target a candlestick, that's 1 minute, and make $5 from this. Okay, this is Crash 300. The value is very high. Okay, it moves very fast. The value is very high. So just target one candlestick or two. But if you ask me, I say target one candlestick and make $5 and close out. Is that powerful? All right. So if I continue back text, you can also see here. You see here, it dropped to this place. You see the candlestick. They move up all the way here, and you see the black line is down here. It shows that this is an uptrend. It's an uptrend. So you see what happened here again. You see it goes to this place, and you see. So if I backtext, this is what you are going to be seeing, or here. So this is what should be your target. Wait for this to happen, and then see this again to happen, and then you target one candlestick and make your $5. If you want to target it, you can target and make more money. Okay, so the same thing also goes for boom 300, boom 300. Same also goes for boom 300. Okay. Now the opposite, we are going to be talking about the opposite here now. So when you see things like this happen, when you get things like this happen, it means this is, you wait for this to get to this level 90, and you see the line move this is downtrend. It means this is downtrend, and you target one candlestick and make $5 and leave the market. This is a very powerful strategy. You do this and make some good profits for yourself. Okay, don't be greedy over this. Make some profit and leave the market. Okay, this is it. This is it. So it's that powerful. It's just a somewhat controversial strategy, but it's powerful, brother. Guys, it's so powerful. So I'll be leaving you right now. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Please note that before I drop any video, I text them first, and once it works, as I test them, I share it to the public. I don't just drop. I drop videos. I drop strategies that work. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you, and I wish you success in your trading. And please practice this on your DMA account first before you can try it on your live account. Okay, so at this point I'll be leaving you, and I wish you success in your trading. Thank you, and goodbye.